on in this country right now about illegal immigration. The man charged in the shooting is an undocumented immigrant from Mexico, a fact quickly seized upon by Republican presidential candidate Donald Trump. Trump is facing a political backlash.
Alright guys, give me 1 second here. We'll just put the thing right here. Just hold on just 1 second guys, I need to retrieve the whole thing. Okay, so oh, that's my scripting. Okay. Let's go to Google. It's supposed to tell me the weather alert. Let's go to Las Vegas weather. Right there. Yeah, but yeah, we're supposed to get some rain today. Don't tell me the alert on this thing. I think I have to go to like one of my local. Okay, here we go. I didn't get the whole thing on TV, so I'm gonna go to the Weather Channel and see. I didn't get the whole thing. I also thought I would get it on the radio, but I didn't. Okay, so here we go. This is a flash flood warning for Clark County. The National Weather Service in Las Vegas has issued a flash flood warning for northeastern Clark County and southern Nevada until 7:15. At 5:12, Doppler radar indicated a thunderstorm producing heavy rain over the valley of Fire State Park, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Okay, some locations will experience some flooding include Overton, Moapa Valley, Echo Bay, Campground, Valley of Fire, Echo Bay, and North Shore Road. And yeah, it's not that much, but what happened was I was on Instagram, and then one of my local news TV stations posted that there was a flash flood warning issued, so I'd immediately go to the TV to check it out. I thought I was gonna get it on radio, but no. Like, there's some stations here that plays EAS alerts, but they don't. Anyway, so hold on a second. So like right here we have KLUC 1043, and hold on. Yeah, I can hardly get anything from there. And KNPR, which is 88.9. Let's see. Oops.
Pucked up the market after a 3-week plunge. It acted. Among other measures, it got 21 brokerages.
Yeah, so we got, and one of the news apps on my phone was supposed to tell me, but for some unknown reason, it did not tell me, so. So you can't see that, but yeah. Let's go right here. Video, Twitter, alerts. Oh no. Okay. Weather. One alert. Okay, so yes, this is supposed to tell me, but for some reason it didn't. But so you're gonna have to be on the lookout. Okay, so that was the whole thing, and I've been getting a lot of EAS alerts recently. I'm getting catched up on this, but that was EAS number 3, flash flood warning Probably gonna get another one here, but if we do, I'll be sure to record it. That's all, so until then, peace.